Need a new mini tripod. Decided to go with this one from Foss Nova. Has great reviews. Decided to open it up here. Check it out. Got some adapters. There we go. Then the tripod itself. Looks like it's got a extended thing for holding on to a phone. It's got the standard tripod attachments here. Nice swivel. It's got arms that come out here. Oh, and then it comes up. Oh, look at that. I didn't realize this was all together. So it's like a selfie stick, very long. And then that all collapses down into not just the handle, but the handle is also a very solid tripod. So this is going to be stable enough to hold some heavier, larger cameras. Definitely hold your smaller action cameras. And then the handle or the tripod legs come together and then become the base for this selfie stick. But this also means you could set this tripod up on the table and have this hold the camera up for you at a comfortable height, so you don't have to look down at the camera. This is really neat, and it's from Foss Nova. Hope this helps. Very well made.